Alright, good morning one and all. Welcome to the video. In this video, I would be talking about the suggestion query in Elasticsearch. So let's get started. Alright, so suggestion, as the word suggests, suggestions means to give suggestions as you type some kind of text, right? So how do we write some kind of queries like that? So let's do a suggestion on the country, right? We have some countries here. So as you say, let's say you said you are typing you and I, and it's gonna keep giving you suggestions. So that's the query. So that's the base query. Go to my website. That's the base query, right? And after that, I just added this suggest word here, right here. So the suggest word takes the bucket name that you want to do. You can be anything, foo, ABC, and the text. So when I say UNITE, unite, so it's give me some suggestions. What are the words, right? And the terms basically on which field that you want to do. I want to do it on country. Remember the country field is there right here. And when I hit the play button right there, or the run, of course, I get suggestions like United, or do you mean Union? And you also have a score. So 0.8% chances or 80% chances are that it's going to be United. And that's the frequency count, and of course it's going to be United because I'm trying to type United. So let's say when I say United ST, right, when I'm typing it, so it's gonna give me some suggestions, hopefully. So here you can see it gave me suggestions. Do you mean like United or ST? I know ST does not make sense, of course, but United does make sense. So it's gonna give you like suggestion. That's all, like the suggestion query. Like please feel free to play with it and do whatever you want with that. So I just wanted to explain you about the suggestion query. I'm not sure if it can give you suggestions regarding the title, because I think it's gonna just give you suggestions regarding the words that you are typing. I actually tried it on the title and it did not work for some reasons. I don't know. So let's give a shot for directors. I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna work, but let's say we say Richard Finn and try to give me some suggestions. So of course, if you see. Let's just get the director field instead, and of course I'm getting that. See, let me actually show you in the source. I'm gonna put the director. Alright, so if you observe now, I'm getting everything related to Richard now. And if you look at the suggestion, of course there is no suggestion. I have one suggestion, maybe it can be Richard or Finn, but the chances is of course it's Richard, right? But if you see the result, it's returning me the result related to Richard. So here you can see Richard Finn. I have the word Finn as well, right? So something it's gonna give me related to that. So let's see some other stuff. Fernando something. It tried to match the FIN, and that's how it tried to give me. It may be this, right? So based on the text that you type, it's gonna try to give you suggestions. You can use this for like suggesting like movies or recommend if you're doing any kind of like when you type like states or something. Let's say let's say you go on the Google, right? And so as you like type whatever Python, so you see you're getting these suggestions. So that's what Elasticsearch is. It's capable of doing that. That's called like a suggestion, right? What you can do is as a user is typing, you can basically when the user types anything, what you can do is using jQuery, you would make a request on the backend, and when you have this data, you can keep appending on the list, and basically you can add these kind of like suggestions. So I think that's it for this tutorial series. For this video, of course, this video was basically on suggestion queries. If you have any more questions or concerns, please let me know by doing that in the comment section below. As usual, thank you for your love and support. Keep smiling, keep coding, and see you guys in the next video where I would be talking about paginations and Elasticsearch. So see you guys in the next video.